In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily make a mini balloon bouquet at home. It stands on its own, making it perfect for a table. Let's get started. Hi everyone, my name is Anna, and I've been creating balloon bouquets for the past 2 years. I first discovered this idea online and decided to turn it into a home-based business. Today, I have more than 20,000 followers on TikTok and over 1,000 students around the world. I teach my own professional technique for creating large, strong, and beautiful balloon bouquets that truly impress people. On this channel, I'll share my creative process, tutorials, and real experience of building a business from home. It's something that any woman, mom, or creative person can learn and start. So subscribe, join me, and let's create something beautiful together. Today, we're going to make this bouquet together right at home. I create all of my balloon bouquets from home, so this can also be a great way to earn extra income. To make the bouquet stand on its own, I use this balloon stand as the base. It has a round acrylic platform that gives the bouquet stability. Insert all the sticks according to the instructions, one in the center and the others around the edges. They usually stay in place very well, but if any of the tubes feel loose, you can secure them with hot glue. Next, extend the center tube by attaching one more section so it is slightly taller. Then, place a small piece of a pool noodle, about 7 inches long, onto the center stick. I didn't measure it exactly, so this is just an approximate size. Secure the pool noodle by wrapping tape around it. Now the frame of your bouquet is ready. The pool noodle makes it easy to insert toppers, decorations, and pictures attached to sticks. Next, inflate one balloon. You can choose any design that matches the theme of your arrangement. For a back-to-school bouquet, you can use a school-themed balloon. For another occasion, you can choose a heart or any other design you like. You only need one balloon for this bouquet. Adjust the center stick to the height you need. Cut it shorter if necessary, and then attach the balloon cup to the top. Apply hot glue around the balloon cup and carefully attach the balloon to it. This will help keep the balloon securely in place. For extra support, wrap tape around the bottom of the balloon and the stick. Now the balloon is firmly attached and ready for the next step. Take one sheet of tissue paper. A standard sheet is usually about 14 by 20 inches, but that's too large for a mini bouquet, so I cut it in half. Each piece will be approximately 10 by 14 inches. Fold the piece diagonally, but do not line up the corners exactly. Then hold it in the center, bring the sides down, and gently smooth the paper with your hands. This will create a neat, layered shape. Place a small piece of double-sided tape on the pointed end, then attach the tissue paper around the balloon stick. Repeat this step with about 4 or 5 pieces of tissue paper, placing them evenly around the balloon. Take a sheet of flower wrapping paper. The original size is 22 by 22 inches, but I cut it in half to make it easier to work with. My piece is now 22 by 11 inches. This size works well for me, but you can adjust it however you prefer. Gather and pinch the paper in the center to create soft pleats. Then place a piece of double-sided tape on the inside and attach the paper to the base of the bouquet. Continue adding the wrapping paper all the way around until the entire bouquet is covered. I've saved all the materials used in this video in my Amazon store. There, you'll find a complete collection of the supplies I use for my professional balloon bouquets, including tools, trusted tapes, balloons, wrapping paper, and more. Everything you need is available in one place. You can always find the link in my bio. Now wrap tape around the center to secure the wrapping paper firmly to the base. Next, bring the edges of the paper together and gently shape them to give the bouquet a neat, finished look. Now the outer structure of our bouquet is ready. Next, let's fill the inside with more tissue paper so there are no visible gaps. I'm using pink tissue paper and adding about 6 pieces. Then I add a few pieces in another color for extra volume and detail. Continue filling the bouquet until all the empty spaces are covered and none of the inner structure is visible. Now the bouquet looks fuller and all the inner parts are completely covered. Next, let's add decorative toppers to bring the theme to life. I'm using these school-themed toppers attached to sticks. Simply insert the sticks directly into the pool noodle inside the bouquet frame. This will hold the toppers securely in place. Choose a ribbon in any color you like and tie a beautiful bow around the bouquet. This will complete the wrapping and give the bouquet a polished, finished look. Let's add a few final decorations. I'm using butterflies and attaching them with double-sided tape. You can place them on the balloon or directly on the wrapping paper. I'm also adding a few rhinestones to decorate the bouquet wrapping. And now our bouquet is completely finished. You can use the same technique to create any theme or design you like. Thanks to the round base, our bouquet is very stable and can stand securely on a table. It makes a beautiful gift for any occasion, a birthday, a holiday, or even a special gift for a teacher. I also offer online courses on both giant and mini balloon bouquets. They are available through the link in my bio. More than 1,000 students around the world have already learned how to create these bouquets and turn this skill into an income. On this channel, I'd also love to share more about how I make balloon bouquets from home and explain the real details of running this type of business. So if you're interested, leave your questions in the comments. I'll use them for my next video and share more about how I built this business from home.